Christ University Institute of Management proudly presents another video lecture on organizing, taught to you by Professor Tresa Manuel.
Dear friends, you might have often come across the term organizing in your life. You do organize your schedule to study, to play, etc. Since you're management students, let us look into this concept on a wider perspective. It is a process of beginning the implementation by clarifying the jobs and working relationships. Organizing is the managerial function of arranging people and resources to work towards a goal. It identifies who is to do what, who is in charge of whom, and how different people and parts of the organization relate to and work with one another. Now, let's have a look at the steps in the process of organizing. There are 6 steps involved in this process. They are reviewing plans, identifying tasks, grouping jobs, assigning work, delegating authority, and coordinating. Let's learn the function of each step in detail. The first step is reviewing plans. Organizing is a function followed immediately after planning. It is a mechanism to put the plans into action. In order to execute, all plans are to be thoroughly analyzed and reviewed so that the activities can be synchronized with the plans to ensure successful accomplishment of goals. The second step is to identify tasks. We need to identify all the tasks that are necessary to be undertaken for the attainment of objectives. The quantum of the task load is dependent on the multiplicity of objectives. Therefore, all the tasks need to be grouped into jobs so that they are duly classified and unnecessary duplication and wastage of efforts are avoided. Also, this step identifies the critical and non-critical tasks which help to make the solution a reality. Coming to the third, grouping jobs. All the jobs that are related and with similar activities are grouped together to provide a smooth flow of work. This will lead to creation of departments and divisions in an organization. Fourth is assigning work. Work is assigned to individuals according to the nature of the job and the skill of an employee. Formal relationship is established among the individuals and between the work groups. This helps the individuals and the groups to carry out their assigned duties and responsibilities with clarity. The next step is delegating authority. People are entrusted with the responsibility of managing the individuals and the work groups in each department or division. This requires effective delegation of authority to each manager to enable him to issue orders and in return receive exact obedience from the subordinates. And the last one is coordinating. All the activities and the people performing the activities are interdependent. In order to function smoothly, coordination is required. When you hear about the division of work, the first thing that comes to your mind is multiplicity of departments. The authority is delegated to department heads and then to subdivisions within the department to ensure smooth functioning. This is mandatory because functioning independently may tend to lose the focus on the objectives of the organization as a whole. To avoid the last problem, all the departments and the positions are to be coordinated in such a manner that the interdependence and interrelations are clearly defined. I hope all of you are clear with the topic on organizing and the steps involved in this process. Until we meet again, bye.
Dear students, we hope you enjoyed this video. For further details, log on to www.christuniversity.in.